Have you ever wondered what the future of technology has in store for us? A world where the lines between reality and virtuality blur, where our commutes are revolutionized by microcars and flying vehicles, where the concept of manufacturing is redefined by the magic of three-dimensional printing. These are not fragments of a science fiction novel, but inventions on the horizon, poised to change the world as we know it by 2030. Are you ready to step into the future? Let's start the countdown with number 10. Imagine stepping onto a mat and instantly being transported to a virtual world. Now let's delve into the realm of the virtual reality mat. This isn't just a typical mat, folks. It's a portal, a gateway that blurs the line between the physical and the digital. The VR mat has the potential to revolutionize not just gaming, but a plethora of industries. Imagine training for a marathon on the streets of Paris without leaving your living room, or walking through your newly designed house before it's even built. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. For gamers, it offers an immersive experience that's leagues beyond anything currently on the market. No more sitting idle with a controller. Now you are the controller. This is just the tip of the iceberg as the potential uses and benefits of the VR mat continue to unfold. The VR mat, bringing the virtual world to your feet. The future is truly now. Get ready to redefine mobility with the advent of the MicroCar. Microcars, or city cars as some prefer to call them, are a revolutionary concept that is set to transform how we navigate our urban landscapes. Compact, efficient, and designed with a futuristic aesthetic, these tiny vehicles are more than just a cute novelty. They are the answer to the ever-growing problem of urban congestion and the environmental impact of traditional automobiles. Imagine zipping around the city in a small, nimble vehicle, able to slip into tight parking spots with ease and navigate through crowded streets without a hitch. That's the promise of the microcar revolution. Beyond their practical benefits, microcars also offer a more sustainable alternative to conventional cars. With their electric or hybrid engines, they produce less pollution, reducing our carbon footprint and helping us to transition towards a more sustainable future. So, as our cities grow and evolve, so too must our means of transportation. Microcars, the future of urban transportation. It's time to take to the skies with flying cars. Imagine a world where the humdrum of gridlock traffic is replaced by the freedom of the open air. This is no sci-fi fantasy, it's the dawn of the era of flying cars. In the last few years, the concept of personal air travel has evolved from a distant dream into a tangible reality. Engineers and innovators around the globe are shaping a future where our daily commute could take on a whole new dimension. These flying cars, or better termed as personal air vehicles, aren't just about convenience. They have the potential to revolutionize emergency services, drastically cut down travel times, and provide an alternative to road-based transport, thereby reducing traffic congestion. As we navigate the logistical and regulatory challenges, the prospect of a sky filled with personal air vehicles becomes increasingly possible. It's a thrilling vision, a future where our transportation doesn't just drive but soars. Flying cars making the dream of personal flight a reality. Welcome to the world of 3D printing, where creation is only a click away. Like an artist with a blank canvas, 3D printing enables us to shape and mold reality to our desires. It's as if we've been handed the keys to creation itself. From the simplicity of crafting custom trinkets to the complexity of manufacturing intricate machine parts, 3D printing is revolutionizing how we make things. It's not just about convenience or cost effectiveness, it's about redefining the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where life-saving medical implants are printed on demand, where architects print scale models of their wildest designs, where astronauts on a Mars mission print vital tools from dust and rock. This isn't the realm of science fiction anymore. It's the here and now. 3D printing is more than just a technological marvel. It's a tool for transformation, a catalyst for change, a beacon of progress. 3D printing transforming the way we create. We're halfway through our countdown, and the future is already looking bright. We've explored the virtual reality mat, a game changer for immersive experiences. We've delved into the microcar revolution, promising a compact and eco-friendly future. We've soared high with flying cars, envisaging a world beyond traffic. And we've witnessed the magic of 3D printing, bringing our imaginations to life. But the innovation doesn't stop here. Oh no, my friends. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 inventions that will soon change the world. Get ready for the next big thing. Our journey of future inventions rolls on with the first one on our list, the smart window. Imagine waking up to a window that adjusts its tint based on the weather outside, or perhaps displays your morning newsfeed as you sip your coffee. The smart window will be more than just a pane of glass. It will be an interactive surface that will transform our living spaces, making them more efficient and personalized. Next, we have the exciting world of quantum computing. It's a concept that's been around for a while, but we're finally starting to see it materialize into something that could drastically alter our digital landscape. Quantum computers are predicted to process information at a speed that's almost unimaginable today. They will revolutionize everything from weather forecasting to drug discovery, and could even crack the most complex cryptographic codes, making our online world more secure. Third on our list is the neural lace. It's a device that will be implanted in the brain to help humans keep up with artificial intelligence. This might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a reality that's not too far off. Neural lace will allow humans to interface directly with machines, enhancing our cognitive abilities and potentially even allowing us to upload and download thoughts. The implications are vast, from treating neurological disorders to potentially unlocking the mystery of human consciousness itself. The fourth invention is the Hyperloop. This high-speed, ground-based transportation system will make cross-country travel a matter of minutes. Imagine boarding a pod and being whisked away through a vacuum tube at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour. The Hyperloop promises to redefine transportation, making our world feel even smaller and more connected. It's the end of the long-haul flight and the dawn of the rapid commute. Finally, we have the invention that ties all these together, the Internet of Things, or IoT. It's a system where all electronic devices are connected to the internet and to each other, creating a network of intelligent and communicative machines. Your fridge will know when you're running low on milk and order it for you. Your car will communicate with your alarm clock to ensure you leave on time for your appointments. It's a level of automation and convenience that will redefine our daily lives. These inventions aren't just cool gadgets or fancy tech. They're potential game changers, set to redefine how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. They're the building blocks of a future that's rapidly taking shape, a future where technology isn't just a tool, but an integral part of our lives. From smart windows that personalize our living spaces, to quantum computers that speed up our digital world, to neural lace that enhances our cognitive abilities, to the Hyperloop that redefines transportation, and the Internet of Things that brings everything together. These are the inventions that will shape the world of 2030. The future might seem far off, but remember, we're already living in what was once considered the future. The technologies we've discussed today might seem out of reach, but they're closer to reality than you might think. And that's our countdown. The future is closer than you think.